Problem number 6 on your homework says the sale price on a 12-pack of Dr. Pepper is $3.12. What was the percent discount if its original price was $4.80? So I'm going to make a percent table comparing dollars to percent. The sale price is $3.12. So that's not the original. The original price is $4.80. That's the 100% amount. The $3.12 represents some other percent, and once we know that other percent, we can calculate percent change. So I don't see any nice scale factors. So I'm just going to write a proportion and solve using cross products. 480 over 312 equals 100 over x. Why don't you take it from there? Don't forget to write the cross product equation. Don't just start doing computation until you write the algebraic equation, and then solve for x, and then once you know what x is, calculate the percent discount, because the percent discount is not the percent that corresponds to x, and we talked about that in class. So try that during the pause and come back and see how you did.
Paused.
My cross product equation will be 480 multiplied by x, which I can just simplify to 4.8. X is equal to 3 1200ths multiplied by 100. Well, that multiplication is easy because I can just move the decimal 2 to the right. 312 hundredths, 100 hundredths is 1 whole, so I'm essentially canceling out this decimal by multiplying by 100. So 312 is equal to 4.8x. But I'm not interested in 4.8x, I'm interested in x, which is 1x, so I need to divide both sides of the equation by 4.8, 4 8/10. So the division is 312 divided by 4 8/10. But we never want our divisor to be a decimal, so I make it a whole number by multiplying by 10, and I'll have to also multiply the dividend by 10. Move this decimal 1 to the right, show a 0 in the ones place, and line up a decimal in your quotient. How many 48s are in 3? 0. How many 48s are in 31? 0. How many 48s are in 312? Well, 48 is close to 50, and 312 is close to 300, so I would think 650 is going to 300, so probably 6. I'm going to do it on the side just to make sure. 8 times 6 is 48, carry the 4. 4 6 is 24, and 4 is 28, so 288. And I couldn't go another 48, that would be too much. So 6 48s is 288. And when I subtract that, I get 24. Bring down this 0. How many 48s in 240? This one's a little tougher because 4 50s is 200, but this is so much more than 200 that maybe I can go 5. 5 40s is 200, and 5 8s is 40, so it's exactly 5. 5 times 48 is exactly 240. Difference of 0, so x equals 65%. But that's not the answer. It's asking for the percent discount. How much was it discounted? It went from 100 to 65, so how much was it reduced by what percent? The difference will tell you that. It went down by 35%, so there's a 35% discount. It's like a sale, 35% off the original price.